Hey Jenny, this is a piano tutorial, how to play the key parts to It Came to Pass, Worthy, Worthy. We're going to play it in the key of E and I'll show you the piano part. Intro chorus, I will play it and then teach it. So what that is, the first note, the F sharp, is going to fall before the one count of where the song begins. So it will go F sharp, B, F sharp, E, F sharp. Then you're going to go up to the C sharp minor chord. So it's up to G sharp, and now we're going to go back to F sharp and then go to your A chord. So that's F sharp, E, B, you're going to come up to a high A, G sharp. So it's verses, I'll play it and then teach it. Repeats. The chords are A, C sharp, E, C sharp minor, C sharp, E, G sharp, and B, B, D sharp, F sharp. And I'm walking through the chords, so I'm going A, I'm walking it up. And when I hit that third note, I'm going to go to C sharp in the bass, jump up to a B, and then a B chord. And then just kind of roll this. The rest of the verse. The third verse, I would play that high. Bridge. And what that is that's an F sharp, just playing F sharp in the root. The first two notes of an F sharp chord, which is an F sharp and an A, and then walk it down one to the G sharp. Now we'll go a C sharp minor chord, playing C sharp in the bass, C sharp, G sharp, and then just step it down one to the F sharp, and then a B chord, step it down, and then there's that little melody.